Today, Mummy Pig is doing a big spring clean of the kitchen. One sponge, one broom. I'm ready for the big clean.
Dinosaur.
I can't play with you right now, George. Sorry.
We'll play with George, Mummy. It just rained and there are muddy puddles to jump in outside.
Okay, Peppa, but don't forget to wear your
Boots! Boots!
And please take off your muddy boots when you come back inside.
Uh-oh. Maybe we should go inside before it starts to rain too much. Good idea. Let's play hide and seek around the house. But not in the kitchen, to let Mummy clean. Who wants to count? Okay, George. Count to 10. That was quick, George. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Those over there aren't my footprints. You're so good, George. Oh, no. Mummy isn't going to be very happy. What are we going to do? Mummy is using the broom and sponge in the kitchen, and we need to clean this mess quickly before she notices. Maybe we can find other things to clean with around the house. Good idea, Suzy. Let's look in Mummy and Daddy's bedroom.
It looks like they're going to need a little bit of help.
All right, George. You wait for us here while we clean the muddy footprints around the house. Now, we just need to clean the bedroom and we will be all done. Oh no!
What's going on in here? Oh!
We're sorry, Mummy. We forgot to take our shoes off like you said and tried to clean all the footprints. But George decided to clean in his own way.
It's okay, Peppa. This is a good opportunity to learn some cleaning techniques. Let's do this together.
Woohoo!
Well done, team. There's a little surprise waiting for you in the kitchen.
You did a really good job cleaning in the kitchen, Mummy.
Cleaning is easy with the right tools.
Wait a minute. You were cleaning with the sponge and the broom earlier, but we found them in the living room and in mine and George's bedroom. You hid them, Mummy.
You're not the only one who likes to play hide and seek.